The Retrosnap Play is marketed as the handheld console everyone's talking about. But here's the truth. It's essentially a rebranded R36S, the same budget emulator device sold under different names. As you can see on their website, retrosnapconsole.com, it looks obviously scammy. Who gives a 72% discount for a console like this? Yes, it's portable and packed with retro titles, but performance is inconsistent. Emulation can lag, and the build quality feels flimsy. So, here's the R36S console. As you can see, it's just the same style, same layout, and everything. And you can buy this on your local store, Amazon, Shopee, Alibaba, for just around maybe $30 or $25. And with no strong company backing this retrosnapconsole.com, then it is very questionable, of course, for the support and warranty. So that makes Retrosnap more of a novelty gadget than a serious gaming console, and it is a dropship item. If you want cheap nostalgia, it might scratch the itch. But if you care about smooth gameplay and durability, you're better off with established alternatives like the Evercade Nexus or Analog Pocket.